my YouTube family, welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you and you are welcome. Today, I'm preparing for my family a mango pound cake with mango cream cheese topping. If you want to see how I achieve this, then continue watching. I must say thank you to each and every one of my subscribers today. Especially you, my returning subscribers. You are welcome. Without you, there'd be no new subscribers. And without the new subscribers, there'd be no Melda 242. God bless you and thank you. Yet, what are you waiting on? Subscription is free. Come on, man. Join your Caribbean sister today. Let's go. Let's do it. Brand new mixer today, and I am using it for the first time. But there is one piece on this now I need to try and get off. That's the bowl cap. That's coming off today. I can't take this, man. This is working me hard. But it's a pretty good machine. Oh my word. Puree. This is one of the packets that I had in the freezer for my mango summer smoothie. I'm just making a mango pound cake today. How does that sound? Okay. This is all-purpose flour and it was sifted 3 times. So you know. All right. My YouTube family, I want you to believe it. I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you today. it now. Now this is what I am talking about. Look at that. Oh my word. This one's for you. All it needed was a turn. It is off. Praise the Lord. Preparing this to go in the refrigerator, and it's going to set until the cake cools. Less liquid yields a stiffer topping. How does that sound? Look at that. Oh my word. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Please leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.